Hello vlogs, welcome to my guys all the way from New York. Finally, after 1 year of flying, coming to US, New York. The flight was pretty good. I had my assessment today and it went really good. So I'm gonna go out and see how it is and show you guys as well. So we have left the hotel and the plan is to go to Times Square first and then to go and eat something. क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं? हाँ, तो अभी तो हम निकल गए टाइम स्क्वायर के लिए, उसके बाद कुछ खाने जाएंगे. तो लेट्स सी हाउ इट इज. आई एम टू एक्साइटेड. दिस इज माय फर्स्ट टाइम हियर. आई वाज रियली एक्साइटेड. आई हैव सीन लाइक टाइम स्क्वायर इन लाइक स्पाइडरमैन. Finally, your boy made it up to Times Square. Amazing जगह है भाई, लाइट ही लाइट भयंकर.
New York City, let it know, show your love, not showing that. Everyone know that this is the Grammy, appreciate it. Guys on the line, give us 60.
First, to start your day, you have to have coffee. So, grab my coffee. Also, I had a chocolate croissant. I like chocolate croissant a lot. So, add that and I'll just take a walk around. Let's see how it is. ऐसा तो है, काफ़ी beautiful है. It's really beautiful. Cheers. And guys, you see this building? This huge building behind me. It's Empire State Building. वो जो बड़ी वाली बिल्डिंग दिखाते ना न्यूयॉर्क में, जो भी बड़ी बिल्डिंग आपने देखी होगी, ये वही है, एम्पायर स्टेट बिल्डिंग. और होटल इज़ नियर टू द टाइम स्क्वायर ओनली, सो इट्स रियली गुड टू वॉक अराउंड. इट्स एवरीथिंग, देयर इज एवरीथिंग हियर, एवरीथिंग. एंड सॉरी फॉर द हेयर कट. बड़े बाल हो गए थे मेरे, तो हेयर कट करना पड़ा. फूकी लग रहा हो यार. I just tried pizza, Joe's Pizza, which is one of the famous place here for pizza. Every celebrity goes there and they have good reviews. But I ordered pepperoni and cheese. I didn't like the cheese at all, but pepperoni, yeah, was really good. I would suggest you to come Joe's Pizza and try it. It's not that expensive. You can try it. I had 2 slices. And they were pretty big, so you can have it. For me, 2 were good, and for you guys, you should have 3. वीडियो यहीं तक रखेंगे. आई नो इट्स अ शॉर्ट वीडियो. बहुत से लोगों ने बोला है कि डोंट मेक लॉन्ग वीडियोस बिकॉज क्या होता है, बिकॉज बहुत लोग देखते नहीं हैं. तो लेट्स सी हाउ इट वर्क्स. And thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.